Hey guys, hi, this is Brenda again with the tutorial this time. So these are burlap roses. I'm just going to jump right into this. I don't want to make this video too long. Quick tutorial because I know tutorials can take a long time. So here we go. These are the petals for the roses that I will be making. I'm going to show you how to make those. So you need 2x2 squares. Oh gosh. So this is just slightly off. That's fine. I'll cut that off. I think I had... So you're going to need about 10 of these. 10 of these. And I have like 12 or 13. But 2 inches. Where are my 2-inch ones? They're 2 inches this way. Okay, so I'll just cut off a bit. And as a matter of fact, it really doesn't matter if you're off a bit. See, these are 2 inches. Okay, so we're just gonna start really fast. Okay, so all right. So you're going to fold this. You're going to fold these in half. Because they're burlap, I'm going to have to glue it. So you're going to do this, fold them this way. Ooh. You're going to glue a bit right here. Oh great, I have to get another glue stick. Hold on. So here we got that glued, and then you're gonna glue this and put them like that. Just, you're gonna put a little dab of glue there. You're gonna press it. It's not hot. I mean, be careful. I have a high temp glue gun. So then from there, you see this excess, you're going to cut this way. You're gonna cut straight across. Doesn't matter if you cut a little bit of the burlap frame. Okay, there you go. And like this, you're gonna do 10 of these. Again, one more time. I'm gonna fold. No, these are the 2x2, the bigger ones. Okay. Okay, you're gonna fold in half or about half. Really doesn't matter that much. So I'm gonna cut the frays. You're going to fold. Oh gosh, where are my tweezers? Put them here. And here we go. So we're gonna put glue there. Gonna pinch, and if you feel you're gonna burn yourself, just get these tweezers. Well, these are better because you grab it like that. Then you take this one and you fold it this way. So kind of eyeball where it's going. Well, cut the frays, don't forget. Kind of eyeball where it's going. It's gonna lay here, so we're gonna put a dab of glue here. Just a little dab. Then you press it. If you want, you can do this. And if you're not sure what a straight line is, you can use this as a guide. And then just cut straight across. Don't cut too much off, just a little triangle. So, like that. Voila! So, I'm just gonna put a dab of glue right here. And you are going to roll with your tweezers. You see how it is even up here? Then you're gonna hold it there, take it out, and put another dab of, ow! No, it didn't hurt. And just continue to roll. And that's what you're gonna have. This is what you're gonna have. That's what you end up with. And you just make sure this is, it's misbehaving right now. Let's just do that right there. Hold it, make sure you don't get burnt. Make sure you don't get burned. It's all right. Okay, now you hold your second one. You put glue back here. Well, make sure your glue stick is pushed in. Just put a little bit. That was actually too much glue, but you hold it. See how it's not too much above the center of the rose? And you just hold it and you pinch it back here. See how it's already forming? You hold it, pinch it, and you got this. So it's secure down here with the glue, and you don't have to worry about this flap. I mean, you can put a little dab of glue there, but it's burlap, so I'm not sure. I do this with satin, with satin ribbon, so I don't want it to look sloppy with all that glue. Because with the satin ribbon, you don't need much glue. So just press it, hold it there for a while. Then you take your third, you do the same thing. Do a little happy face here. If you need to remember where the glue goes, and you put it on the opposite side. You see, this petal's on this side, now this one goes on this side. And you just even it out, pinch. Hold here on the sides and pinch. You can blow on the rose if that, I mean, it can help. But pinch, pinch, pinch. See this right here? This pinch, pinch. Don't forget to pinch. Okay, we're gonna secure this with just the glue that's dripping from the gun at the time. While I'm doing these roses, my glue gun drips just a bit and I don't have to press it. So if that happens to your glue gun, then you don't have to worry about pressing it, because you will have excess. Okay, oops. Okay, so this is what we have now. We're gonna put the next one right here to cover this side. Okay, so do the happy face. Shoot. Okay, I burned myself a little here. Do the happy face again. And now put it right here. I'm not sure if I mentioned that I haven't done these these flowers in burlap material yet. So let's just see how it goes. I've done this one in satin. I love these. I've done this one with 10 petals every time, and this one was like 20 petals. Okay, so pinch, pinch, pinch. Okay, so we're gonna do another happy face. Make sure you're gluing the back of this and not the top up here. So we're gonna lay this right here. I mean, you can use your own judgment and see like where you want them spaced out exactly. Pinch. Almost forgot to pinch. Seems like everything goes wrong while you're filming, but when you're doing things on your own, you don't mess up. So, but I think I got that pinch there. So I think it's coming out pretty good. Let's see where I'm gonna lay the next one. I could do it here. Yeah, I could do it here. Or I could do it here. Yeah. So you grab it. Pinch. Sometimes you have to squash the rose just to make sure this one pinches good. Because if you don't pinch it, I don't know, it just looks a little funny. Then you can open it up afterward. Okay, see? It's a little flat. Maybe we can try to put some cotton up here on the petals to make them fluff up a little more. I don't know, maybe I'll try that next time. But these are my first burlap flowers because I'm making my niece's maternity sash. So she wants like a woodland baby theme, a woodland baby shower theme. It looks so pretty already. Let's see where I'm gonna put this. So yeah, you can just eyeball it, see what works for you, what works for the rose actually. And I have more petals to go. I have these more to go, so I'll be back. I'm gonna show you the way to do this. Fold it, cut the phrase, fold, fold. Okay, your tweezers. Well, actually, don't get your tweezers until you put glue. Pinch, pinch. So we can go through the burlap. Was I off frame? Okay, this is a fray. Oh gosh. If your burlap frays, you can put, I guess, Mod Podge or a special glue that they have is especially for fraying fabric. It's especially for fraying fabric. And this is perfect, but I didn't use it. So now you cut it. Get that out of here. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to continue. Happy face. Make sure you don't burn yourself. And make sure you don't put too many on one side. Make sure you're always looking at it. that a hair? Okay. Pinch. See, when you pinch, you get that. When you pinch, you get this little shape off of pinching. Okay, let it go. Gonna do another one. Let's see where. Right here. Do not let your glue cool, so know the spot, the exact spot that you want. Being that I have a high temp gun, glue gun, it takes a while before it starts to dry. But I've done these with low temp glue guns and they dry pretty fast, and it doesn't give you time to work with the flower. Okay, so you see how this, over here on this side, we need some petals on this side because this side is looking pretty completed, but now we need them here. Okay, let's just, shape it up, but yeah, see how this looks. Now, the rest of them are going to go on this side. Let's see. Yep, and then here and here. How about we do this first? These burlap flowers aren't bad, these roses. I may have to do more. Okay, so I'm going to put it here. Pinch. Yeah, I'm gonna lay off of putting some on this side and just do on this side. These burlap roses aren't so bad. Okay, we have 2 left. I think I'm gonna have to do like 3 more because this already needs one here. But yeah, I'm gonna put one here. Yeah, I'm gonna need a few more. Pinch. You may not have to pinch this because it's not satin, but maybe next time I will put cotton in here to fluff this out. But I'll try it next time. Okay. Happy face. And maybe you don't have